Hello and welcome to Cooking with Agamemnon. This is our first episode, and I am excited to be your host, so subscribe and let's get started. Right, so I love cooking and deep fried. That's why I am fully dark. I deep fry myself when I was a kid. So with that information, let's make some Lana cookies, and I will tell you my secret ingredient at the end. So I will leave a recipe up here. You can check it out. Let's mix everything. And now for my secret ingredient, a sprinkle of Lana salt, 1 teaspoon of lavia, and dazzle of Lana's Mohan. Let's mix everything. Now let's get them ready for baking. Set them out a tray like this. Now let's bake them. Okay, finally they are done. Let's swim down real quick. Alright, done. It's tasty, delicious. I like them. I will leave the recipe in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next step with a very special guest. You can leave your guesses in the comment section for a chance to win Game Pass. I will release the details soon.